Think you've seen the best tools on Amazon? Think again. These 20 genius tools can save you hours of work, improve your accuracy, and make every DIY project easier. Stick around until the end because the final tool might be the smartest one ever made. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 20. Fantic S1 Apex Electric Screwdriver. This smart electric screwdriver packs up to 7 Nm of torque, a pivoting handle for hard-to-reach angles, and an interactive display that lets you monitor settings in real time. With 20 durable S2 steel bits, dual speed control, and a standard 1/4-inch hex chuck, it's perfect for furniture assembly, electronics, and everyday DIY projects. If you want speed, precision, and pro-level performance in one compact tool, the Fantic S1 Apex is a must-have. Number 19. SATA Heat Gun with LCD Display. The SATA Heat Gun delivers adjustable temperatures from 120 degrees Fahrenheit to 1,200 degrees Fahrenheit, making it perfect for paint removal, vinyl wrapping, heat shrink tubing, and DIY crafts. The LCD display lets you dial in the exact temperature, while the memory function recalls your last setting for faster workflow. When you're done, the one-touch cooling mode protects the tool and extends its lifespan. Powerful, precise, and built with an anti-scald air nozzle, this is the heat gun every DIY enthusiast should have in their workshop. Number 18. CZI Portable Handheld Welder. The CZI Portable Handheld Welder delivers up to 120 amps of welding power on a standard 110-volt outlet, making it ideal for home repairs, metal fabrication, and automotive projects. It supports 3 32" to 1/8" welding rods and comes complete with protective goggles and a chipping hammer, so you're ready to get started right away. Lightweight, portable, and beginner-friendly, this compact welder packs professional performance into the palm of your hand. Number 17. CZI 1-inch Cordless SDS Plus Rotary Hammer Drill. Its brushless motor delivers 2.8 joules of impact energy for fast, powerful drilling and chiseling. Choose from 4 working modes, while the built-in safety clutch helps protect you from kickback. The kit includes 2 4.0Ah batteries and a full set of drill bits and chisels, giving you everything you need for concrete drilling, demolition, and home renovation. Powerful, cordless, and built for demanding jobs. Number 16. WorkPro Air Angle Die Grinder. Spinning at an impressive 20,000 revolutions per minute, this compact pneumatic tool delivers the speed and precision you need for grinding, cutting, polishing, deburring, and weld cleanup. Its 90-degree right-angle design reaches tight spaces with ease, while the included 1/4-inch and 1/8" collets fit a wide range of accessories. Whether you're working on automotive repairs or metal fabrication, this lightweight die grinder is built to handle the toughest jobs with professional results. Number 15. CZI 150W Plastic Welder Welding Kit. This 2-in-1 repair system combines a powerful hot stapler with a 60-watt soldering iron to restore broken bumpers, dashboards, kayaks, and even plastic toys. It includes hot staples, 20 plastic welding rods, and pliers, giving you everything you need right out of the box. Strong, fast, and easy to use, it's the ultimate DIY solution for durable plastic repairs that last. Number 14. WorkPro 20V Cordless Mini Circular Saw. Powered by a 20-volt battery, it spins at 4,500 revolutions per minute for smooth, accurate cuts through wood and other materials. The built-in laser guide helps keep every cut perfectly straight, while the compact design makes one-handed operation easy. With 3 included blades, a 4.0Ah battery, fast charger, and cutting depths up to 1 and 11/16 inches at 90 degrees, this cordless saw is the perfect companion for DIY projects, renovations, and woodworking. Number 13. Fantic S1 Capsule Deluxe Cordless Screwdriver. Meet the Fantic S1 Capsule Deluxe, the compact electric screwdriver built for everyday DIY. Its 320 revolutions per minute motor delivers up to 5 Nm of torque, making furniture assembly, appliance repairs, and home projects faster and easier. The kit includes 5 double-ended bits and 12 long precision bits, giving you the versatility to tackle a wide range of tasks. Lightweight, cordless, and easy to carry, this pocket-sized powerhouse is the perfect tool for quick repairs and hassle-free assembly. Number 12. CZI Cordless Reciprocating Saw. Its brushless motor delivers up to 3,500 strokes per minute for fast, clean cuts through wood, PVC, and more. With tool-free blade changes, an integrated LED work light, and variable speed control, it's built for precision and convenience. The kit includes 6 saw blades and 2 4.0Ah batteries, so you can work longer without interruption. Compact, cordless, and ready for any DIY or demolition job. Number 11. Metabo HPT18V Cordless Brad Nailer. This powerful 18-gauge nailer drives 5/8" to 2" brad nails with speed and precision, making trim work, molding, and cabinetry effortless. The included 2.0Ah lithium-ion battery delivers up to 700 shots per charge, while the compact, lightweight design keeps you comfortable on the job. Plus, it's multi-volt compatible, giving you even more flexibility for your tool collection. Clean, cordless, and built for professional results. Number 10. Makita XT297T18V LXD Brushless 2-Piece Combo Kit. This powerful 2-tool set includes a high-performance hammer drill and impact driver, both powered by efficient brushless motors for longer runtime and increased durability. The kit comes with 2 5.0Ah lithium-ion batteries for extended productivity and fast recharging. Whether you're drilling, fastening, or tackling demanding job site tasks, this cordless combo delivers the power, reliability, and professional performance Makita is known for. Number 9. Work IQ Tools 360 Degrees Rotating Bench Vise. Its full 360-degree rotating base lets you position your workpiece at the perfect angle, while the 5" jaw pads provide a strong, damage-free grip. Designed for woodworking, pipework, and general repairs, it's compatible with IQ Connect accessories for even greater versatility. Tough, precise, and built for the workshop, this bench vise makes cutting, drilling, sanding, and assembly easier than ever. Number 8. Work IQ Tools IQ Connect Hands-Free Accessory System. This hands-free accessory kit includes 3 bench mounts, a magnifying glass for precision work, a rechargeable LED work light for better visibility, and a cell phone holder to keep tutorials or video calls in view. Designed to pair seamlessly with the Work IQ Vise, it keeps your tools, lighting, and workspace perfectly organized, so you can work smarter, faster, and with both hands free. Number 7. Makita XCM01Z18V LXD 3" Brushless Cutoff Tool. Its high-efficiency brushless motor delivers fast, powerful cutting while maximizing battery runtime. The compact, cordless design makes it perfect for slicing through metal, tile, PVC, and more in tight spaces. With a 3" cutting wheel and ergonomic grip, it offers excellent control and precision for every job. Whether you're on the job site or tackling DIY projects, this Makita cutoff tool is built for speed, durability, and professional performance. Number 6. Durofort 8V Cordless Electric Screwdriver Set. Delivering up to 10 Nm of torque and 320 revolutions per minute, it's powerful enough for furniture assembly, home repairs, and DIY projects. The 2-position rotating handle lets you switch between pistol grip and straight mode for maximum comfort, while the built-in LED light brightens tight workspaces. Complete with a flexible extension shaft and 28-piece accessory kit, this compact cordless tool is ready to tackle almost any fastening job with ease. Number 5. Liberton Deburring Tool. Its 360-degree swivel head effortlessly removes sharp edges and burrs from metal, plastic, resin, PVC, copper, wood, and even 3D printed parts. The kit includes 10 high-speed steel blades for long-lasting performance and quick replacements. Whether you're chamfering, cleaning cut edges, or perfecting DIY projects, this lightweight precision tool delivers clean, safe, and flawless results in seconds. Number 4. Maxbauer Flexible Head 1/2" Drive Socket Wrench. Its 72-tooth reversible ratchet delivers smooth operation with just a 5-degree swing arc, making tight spaces easy to work in. The flexible head provides added access, while the extendable handle expands from 12.6 to 18.1 inches for extra leverage when you need more torque. Featuring a quick-release socket button for fast changes, this rugged half-an-inch drive wrench is the perfect tool for automotive repairs, maintenance, and heavy-duty DIY projects. Number 3. Fantic S2 Pro Electric Screwdriver. With 7 adjustable torque settings ranging from 0.5 to 6 Nm, it delivers the perfect amount of power for furniture assembly, home repairs, and precision projects. The kit includes 20 magnetic bits and a 90-degree angle adapter to reach tight spaces with ease. Featuring a standard 1/4-inch hex chuck, cordless convenience, and a sleek compact design, the Fantic S2 Pro is the all-in-one screwdriver every toolbox needs. Number 2. WorkPro Extra Long Flex Head Ratcheting Wrench Set. This 5-piece metric set covers 8 to 19 millimeters and features 72-tooth ratcheting box ends for smooth operation with minimal swing. The extra long handles provide added leverage, while the flex head design reaches hard-to-access fasteners with ease. Built from durable chrome vanadium steel with a corrosion-resistant black coating and packed in a convenient rolling pouch, this is a must-have wrench set for mechanics and serious DIYers. Number 1. Berserker 1 9/16 SDS Max Heavy-Duty Rotary Hammer Drill. Its powerful 1,600-watt, 13-amp motor delivers heavy-duty performance for drilling, hammer drilling, and demolition. The 3-function selector adapts to any job, while variable speed, vibration control, and a built-in safety clutch provide greater precision and user protection. Designed for demanding construction and renovation work, this 16-pound powerhouse is built to handle concrete, masonry, and the toughest demolition tasks with ease.
That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.